Hi everyone, it's Rita. I want to make some nautical DIYs, and I'm going to try to put at least one out every week for the next 4 weeks alongside my patriotic series, and these I will upload on Friday. So today I'm going to make a life preserver, I believe is what it's called. So I'm using a foam wreath from Dollar Tree. I'll be using acrylic paint in white, and I believe it's cobalt blue. It's a very pretty blue. I'll also use some jute twine from Walmart and my paint pen. So to get started, I'm going to tape off 4 sections, and it's just to separate the colors, and you don't need to worry about painting in these sections anyway, because this is where we'll wrap the nautical rope. I'll alternate sections, one white, one blue. I do paint the front and back, and I use 2 coats. If you would like to speed up the drying process, if you're in a hurry like I am, you can use your hair dryer. And now we can remove the tape and put the jute twine around these sections. And I'll be using hot glue to do this. I did cut my jute too short on the first one, so I had to go in with another small piece to complete it. I'm just using a lighter to clean up all the little stray strands on the jute. I'll be using more nautical rope just to go around completely, and in each section I'll have it hanging out just a little bit as you see me doing here. I hope that makes sense. Okay, my camera's gone wonky again. I'm not sure why it's looking like this, but I am writing welcome aboard and the number 21 on here, and you'll see what it looks like in just a second. Okay guys, so here it is. I think it turned out really cute, and as I said, I will be making some more decor to go with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video tonight. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. A big thanks to all my subscribers who continue to support me. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. As always guys, like, share, and comment. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.